Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Halo Combat Evolved on Android. Since there isn't a native Android version, the most reliable way is to stream the game from a powerful personal computer. This method ensures you get the full, high-fidelity experience of the classic title right on your phone or tablet. We'll cover everything from setting up your computer to optimizing your network for seamless gameplay. Get ready to relive the iconic battles of Master Chief on the go. To begin, your personal computer is the heart of this setup. You'll need a robust machine with a modern processor, like an Intel Core i5 or AMD Ryzen 5, and at least 8 GB of RAM. A dedicated graphics card, such as an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1000 series or AMD Radeon RX 500 series, is crucial for rendering the game smoothly. Install Halo Combat Evolved on your PC, then choose a streaming application like Steam Link or NVIDIA Moonlight for optimal performance. Next, prepare your Android device. Download and install the client application that matches your PC streaming software, for example, the Steam Link app. For the best experience, connect your Android device to a strong 5 GHz Wi-Fi network, ensuring minimal latency. A wired Ethernet connection for your PC is also highly recommended. Finally, pair a Bluetooth game controller with your Android device. Touch controls are an option, but a physical controller offers superior precision for first-person shooters. To ensure the smoothest gameplay, optimize your settings. If you experience lag, try lowering Halo Combat Evolved's in-game graphical settings on your PC, perhaps reducing the resolution or frame rate. Close any unnecessary applications running on both your computer and Android device to free up processing power. A strong, stable internet connection with at least 50 megabits per second of bandwidth is ideal. Experiment with different streaming quality settings within your chosen application to find the perfect balance for your setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.